Yeah. 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 I got an email actually from a company that orders your vines. I think really, and that. So um, so I think they sent me or a list